For the second time in 1 week, we're hearing about someone in a position where they're supposed to help people facing charges they took advantage of a patient. This time, it's a mental health counselor from Hamburg facing sex abuse charges. News 4's Katie Alexander is in the newsroom with what prosecutors say this woman did. Katie?
Well, Teresa, this case is being handled by the New York State Justice Center for the Protection of People with Special Needs, which investigates accusations of abuse. And the special prosecutor says what happened in this case is abuse. Pamela Grzechowiak is now charged with sexual abuse, sexual misconduct, and rape in the third degree after investigators say she had sex with a male resident of a Cazenovia Recovery Systems facility earlier this year. The woman was a licensed medical health counselor for Cazenovia, and under state law, sex crimes include sexual contact of any kind between an employee and a resident or inpatient at a facility that's licensed by the state's Office of Alcoholism and Substance Abuse Services. For its part, Cazenovia Recovery System says it took, quote, all the necessary and appropriate actions in response to this situation, firing Grzechowiak as soon as they learned about what happened back on March 1st. A statement from Cazenovia said they have fully cooperated in the investigation and will continue to do so, adding that they commend the Justice Center for protecting vulnerable populations. A special prosecutor from the Justice Center is also handling the case against an ECMC nurse who is also charged with rape and sexual abuse. Jordan Donaldson was indicted this week, accused of having sex with a female patient who could not legally consent while she was receiving care. Bail was set for him at $10,000. Now, Grzechowiak was arraigned in Supreme Court yesterday, and she was released without having to pay bail to await her next court appearance. Reporting live, Katie Alexander, News 4 at noon.